So here's exactly how I send hundreds of personalized cold DMs every day on autopilot. I've used AI to generate this list of targeted B2B leads for me. These are all high quality coaches, consultants, and agency owners. And then I've also used it to write personalized messages like this. Hi Will, I see you're all about helping investors scale their portfolios to $1 million plus, which is impressive. I'm curious, are you doing any cold DM outreach on IG right now? So now that I have this list, I'm gonna go back to Instagram. Then I'm gonna pull up Instaworm, which is the tool that I've used to scrape those leads, personalize them, and I'm gonna use it to launch fully automated outreach. So let's give this campaign a name. I'm just gonna name it number 1. And then I'm gonna choose this exact file that I was sharing with you. And then when I click on launch campaign, the system is gonna kind of take over my browser here, and it's gonna start sending those messages to people. So it just clicked on message, it pulled up Will Rich, it pasted the message in, and now it's going to send it. And once it sends it, it loads in the next lead, which is gonna send a message to in like about 400 seconds. So this is very safe to use. I've been using it for a very long time, and other people have been using it, so this is 100% safe. Now here is where this gets super interesting. I'm gonna repeat the same process on this Instagram account with a different list of leads. And then I'm gonna launch it. And now I'm running outreach on both accounts simultaneously. So it's gonna send a message to this guy, and my computer is fully usable, guys. Like I can do anything I want with it right now. And what I can do now is I can spawn another account and then another account, and I can have 10 different Instagram accounts doing outreach at the same time. And this literally took me, guys, maybe 5 minutes to set up. And I'm gonna show you how to set this up in this video. But first, why did I even build this tool? Because I used to spend like 3 to 4 hours every single day doing this entire process manually, and I hated it. And I realized that there were a lot of other people that were doing this as well, and they also hated it. And there were no good alternatives. You would either have to stop doing it, hire some expensive VA to do it for you, or you'll just continue doing this yourself. So I decided to create this, and the ROI is insane. So let's say you spend about 3 hours a day doing cold DM outreach yourself. And let's say that conservatively 1 hour of your time is worth about $20. So you're spending about $60 worth of your own time every day to be on Instagram and search for high quality leads and DM them. If you use this tool, even for 1 day, it already paid for itself because it costs less than $60. But it gets even more crazy because you're doing this every day. So if we multiply this by 30 days in a month, you're spending about $1,800 per month to run this process yourself. It's insane, and you probably don't even like it, but you can't stop because it pays the bills. And don't get me wrong, cold DM outreach can work very well. I've made a pretty penny with it, but $1,800 a month you can get back if you start using this tool right now. And it's probably gonna help you do more volume, find higher quality leads, get more responses because the outreach is personalized, and you're probably gonna end up making a lot more money because of it. So here is my offer to you. Try out this tool. If you don't get any ROI from it within 90 days, I'll give all your money back. The link is going to be in the description. So while I'm showing you how to set this up from scratch, let's leave this campaign running in the background. We already sent 10 DMs today. There are 6 more to go in this campaign. So the first step is you want to find someone who has the audience you want to reach out to. This is a crucial step. So in my case, I found this guy called Jeremy Pogue. And in this particular post, he's calling out high ticket coaches. So everyone who's commenting here is some sort of a high ticket coach. I want to pull up Instaworm and I'm going to click on the lead scraper tool. And I have 3 different options. I can scrape leads from comments. I can scrape leads from the people that this account follows or the followers of this account. In my case, because I found this golden nugget post here, I'm going to scrape it. So I'm going to click on filters, and I can filter based on keywords that people have left inside their comment or keywords that appear anywhere on their profile. I can exclude keywords. I can set a minimum comment length, and I also can send how many leads I want to scrape. So in this case, let's say I only want about 30 leads. And then I'm also going to enable this enrich profiles feature where the AI is also going to go through people's profiles and get additional information. So I'm going to click on scrape comments. And now the system is going to start extracting the information of these people right here. It already found 30 of them, and now it's going to go through each person's account one by one. And after a few minutes, this is going to be done. So after about 3 minutes, it almost finished. So now I'm gonna click on download latest CSV. And this is pretty much the list of all the leads that we have scraped. So let me show you. These are the people that commented, and you can see it found their username, profile URL, their exact comment, the date. I mean, a bunch of information, the bio they have on their account, how many followers they have, how many posts they have, if it's a private account, a business account, what links they have in their account. It kind of found all the information you can ever need. So the next step now is we want to use a personalization tool to craft that first DM in a way that is very tailored and specific to each prospect. So I'm going to load in the raw leads file that we just got from the scraper tool. And based on this prompt here, we can actually determine and guide the behavior of the AI and tell it exactly, hey, this is kind of how I want you to write those first messages. This is like a default prompt it has, so you can change it any way you like. And depending on what this prompt says, the first message is going to change accordingly. But in my case, I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to click on generate messages. And if you're wondering, like, how much does this cost? It costs about 30 cents per 1,000 personalized messages. So it's very cheap and affordable to do on a huge scale. And it's also pretty fast, like within a minute or so, it's gonna generate those personalized messages for every lead. So in the meantime, this campaign that we started running on the other account is about to finish. And we've already gotten one response to our outreach that I'm gonna check out in a bit. But you can already tell, guys, this is like very powerful stuff. I'm literally making a video and my outreach is being done in the background. So going back on this now, and shout out to Jeremy if he's watching this, I'm gonna download the personalized file. Let me show you. So this is pretty much like the original file, but it has another field, which is the personalized message. And you can read some of them. Hi, Pete. I noticed your focus on helping Canadians secure their first mortgage is impressive. What's been the most rewarding part of that journey for you? So I could make it say whatever I want. In the other campaign that I'm running right now, for example, as you've seen earlier, it says, or it asks people if they're doing any cold DM outreach, but you get the point. And of course, now this is where all the magic happens. The final step is the outreach tool. Let me just cancel this campaign that I was running before so I can show you creating a new one. I'm just gonna click on create new campaign. I'm gonna name this like whatever test, and then I'm gonna load in the personalized file that we just created, and I can configure some of the settings here. There's absolutely no limit to what the tool allows you to do. You just wanna make sure you kind of set certain like strict rules to protect your own account. So if I want to do like 1,000 outreaches from one account, the tool allows you to do it. It's just that for most accounts that are not really warmed up properly, I would recommend you kind of start slowly and kind of ramp up as time goes on. But if your account is like super warmed up, for example, the other account that I have has like 68,000 followers or something. So I can do a lot of outreach with it. So I can do like maybe 100 outreaches per day, maybe more. On this account, because it's a newer account, I'm just going to keep it at 20. I'm going to click on launch. And now it's going to start going through those leads and sending messages to them. So it already pulled this guy up. It's going to click on message. It's going to drop the message in there. Hi, Pete. So that's a message I read you earlier. And now it's going to send it. And then if we pull up Instawarm, you can see sent today 1 out of 11. So total sent 1. And then it's just gonna, go on and on. So it really is simple, guys. I mean, you have two options. You can either keep slaving away and doing this yourself, spending 3 to 4 hours every day, manually doing what I just showed you, like one lead at a time. Or you can embrace AI and automation and join my community to get access to Instaworm and have AI agents and AI employees work for you. The link again is going to be in the description. And my vision is in my community, I want to provide you with a suite of AI agents and AI products that are designed to make your life easier, help you work less time, but at the same time generate more leads, generate more sales calls, and of course, close more clients. So hopefully you found value in this video. Drop your comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.